Hello, my name is Davíð. I have to change this white key here. This white key is broken here, so I had to change this one. And also, this here has been glued sometime, but the edge is outside the plastic, so I have to take this off and put a new one into this one. You see it here on the edge, it's not fitting well. It should be a little to left, 1 millimeter. So that means it's standing outside, so it's not good when you are playing, you always hit it. So here I have some plastic for the keys, and I have to find the right one. I think it's this one. Try it on. And this is the one I need for this here. But this one is a little, you see, longer here inside, so I have to take a little away from this so it fits well. I have to mark how much I have to take off the plastic. And then I compare it to the other one beside it when I finish. The shape of this is a little different, so this is only what we have now. The mechanism out. This is something new for me, something different system for this one. Usually we have bolt through it on left and right, onto this clutch here, up, then I take this off, but this system is different. I have to take one from this side, lift the list here up, and take it out from this side here. System here on the top is going here inside the hole here. So I found the solution to open it. It's out, so I can fix this node here. And especially because I have to take this one off to glue it again. Oh, it was loose, so I can glue it like this. I don't have to take it out now. I have to take something off the plastic here, so that it's the same size as the old one in the piano. Shape it away with the file. So this one, take it little here. It's gonna fit here when I glue it together. I have to glue this one too. And I take the mechanism little out. And I have to loose this one so I can lift this node better up. It's better to glue it. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. Here I have some contact glue to put on the keys. Now I'm going to change the top of the keys, the plastic, and I noticed that they have been using some contact glue last time when they were gluing the plastic on the top. So I'm not going to shape it down with a sandpaper. I just put some contact glue on it today and then just put it together. Usually I use another glue for it and shape the keys very well. Putting some glue on the key and on the plastic. Let it dry for a few minutes and then I put it together. Glue on the plastic and then on the key. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm just putting the tape so it's gluing better together here and in right position. And after it's hardening, I take the tape off. Same I do here. Let it fit well. It's sitting well on the key, the plastic. Tight it down. Okay.